good, talk good, see good, and listen good things. Gandhiji's formula is don't see bad, don't talk bad, and don't listen to bad. These three truths Gandhiji told. The When we contemplate deeply, don't see bad means sometimes we see bad outside world. That's okay. Okay, sometimes we are born to see some situations are there, but do not think about it more. That is about don't see bad. If anything bad happens, do not remember it again and again. And if any in the future also, do not contemplate that some bad might happen. This is called don't see bad. Don't see bad from the past. You don't remember it, and don't see bad. Anything bad might happen. Do not worry about the future. This is a most important formula in our visualization, in our imaginations, or whatever. Always be positive. Trust the universe. Whatever so bad happened, just leave it in the past only. Yes, with a pure, complete childlike happiness and wonder eyes, you see the whole world. Any wonder might happen. Any great thing might happen. Any great news can come to you. So that kind of attitude we need to develop. Amazing, blissful life. Any second, a greatest possibility might happen. A wonderful, amazing situations might happen. That blissfulness, that is the essence of life. Anando Brahma.